P1, so we're going to start and look at our next book, our 1D book, which is chapter 11, and we're looking at 2D shapes. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna draw along the edges of some 3D objects. What 2D shapes can you get? Circle the answers. So if we look at this box of biscuits, we draw along this shape. Now, which one have we got? A circle, a rectangle, a triangle? Well, look, we've obviously got a rectangle. This Toblerone style of chocolate, we've got this end shape here. Is it a triangle, a rectangle, or a pentagon? It's obviously a triangle. This packet of crisps, is it a circle, a triangle, or a rectangle? Looks pretty much like a circle to me. This one's got a nice little honeycomb shape. Is it a rectangle, a circle, or is it a hexagon? Hexagon. Look, you just need to match up the outlines to the shapes. It's a little bit difficult though. Sometimes we need to orient our eyes and our mind. Now we've got this. Oh, I've already given you the answer. This milk carton, which is a pentagon. So we can see the 2D shapes. Group the 2D shapes as follows. Shapes formed by straight lines and shapes formed by curve. Well, it's clear that we've got all these shapes are straight lines, and it's only the circle which is a curved line. The 2D shapes below are formed by straight lines. How many sides does each 2D shape have? So we have 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, or a quadrilateral. I know I've asked some of you already. So a quadrilateral is a side which has four sides. A pentagon has 5. You can guess now that we're going up by 1 each time. So a hexagon is 6. So the 2D shapes are all polygons. We can say these are all polygons. However, this 2D shape is a circle. So we can say all shapes with more than one side is a polygon. Okay, so let's have a look here then. So we've got, look at the different 2D shapes, sort them into their shapes. So let's start off with triangles. Let's start with the top row. We've got B, G. So it's just B and G. Now we go quadrilaterals, anything with 4 sides. A, E, no, oh, no, J, no, A, E, J. Pentagon is 5-sided shape. So let's start. We've got no, yes, F, H, I, F, H, I. Hexagons. Oh, already give me the answer. C and K. Well, then the last ones are easy. Circles. D and L. So how many different 2D shapes can you find in the picture below? So let's have a look. Count up how many triangles we've got first. 1, 2, 3. How many quadrilaterals? 1, 2. How many pentagons? Pentagons, 5-sided shapes. 2, no pentagons. Hexagons are the 2 ears. And how many circles? 1, 2, and the big one is 3. So each of the 2D shapes below has how many sides? So all of them are quadrilaterals. Quad meaning 4. Okay. So like triple means 3, or bi means 2. Quad is 4. So all shapes have 4 sides. They are all quadrilaterals. But these quadrilaterals are special. They have their own names. You've got squares, which are all the same size and all the same angles. Rectangles, which have two the same sizes. These are special quadrilaterals. They like to be given a special name, okay? So we can recognize if they're the same length, it is a square. And if it's longer on one side and shorter on the other, it's a rectangle. Okay, so look at this class photo of P1A. Class 1A. It's placed in the center of the notice board. We have words to describe over, under, right, and left. And I know we've already done this before, so we should be very good at it. So 1A is over the picture. The Chinese is under the picture. The picture of the boy is to the left of the main picture, and the drawing is on the right of the picture. So look at the picture below and circle the answers. The smiley face is over or under the letter A. Well, it's over. That means it must be opposite for the other way around, which means it's under. Over and under, opposites of each other. Hello is to the right of the pentagon, which means that the other way around, it's the left of the pentagon. Make sure that we're really careful with these because it's easy to get swapped out, get them middled up. So look at the figures and draw the correct shapes. Draw a triangle on the left. So we draw a triangle in this box here. Excellent. Draw a square under the hexagon. So that's this box here. Then we've got to draw a pentagon over it. Pentagon's a hard one to draw. There we go. And then we draw a circle on the right of this one and under this one. So it must be there. Okay, that's our very quick introduction to 2D shapes.